Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this lesson, I am going to tell you how to insert images or pictures in Microsoft Word. There are many methods. You also can copy paste the images from any website or from your computer. But the main thing that we have to discuss, insert tab, and you click on pictures. Here you see are two methods from this device, and second is online pictures. When you click on this button, this device, you find your picture that you want to insert in your file. You just click on the image or logo or clip art that you want to insert in the file, and you click here insert. Here you also see some handles. I discuss here these handles. This is resizing handle. You can resize the picture from any corner, and this is called the resizing handle. And I later discuss this wrap text. Simply I click here on square this time. Later I'll discuss in detail position and wrap text. Second handle is our moving handle, and when you see the mouse in this style, this is our moving handle, and you move your pictures anywhere in the document. And this here is the rotation handle, and you can rotate the image from any side in any angle. This is called the rotation handle. In when you insert any picture, a logo or file, you see a tab here, a picture format. You also can give the border or shading, or this you can choose here any picture style, and you can further from this picture border you can change the picture border color. Here you can picture effects you can change, and here you can change picture layouts further. In color you can see you can change the colors of picture, and simply when you want to use as a watermark in a background, you can choose a simple gray, etc. And in correction you can see the picture color contrast and color darkness. You can change these things, and you test on your own picture. You can see many things. So why we use the picture in a document? You can use for the in a CV. You can use your own image, and documents you can see on the book. You when you are reading in a unit 1 or unit 2, you can see images and figures according to your text. Now I am going to insert a picture in this text file, and I am going to tell you how wrapping of the text work. So simply I click here and I choose any picture. You also can use the online pictures. For online pictures, you have your system should be connected to internet, and you can search here any type of picture. For example, I search here Pakistan, and you can see Pakistan flag and Pakistani many other pictures you can see here. And on any picture that you want to insert in your file, you just click on that picture and then click on insert button. And now this picture is downloaded from the internet, and you can use this picture in your document. You click here wrap text, and here you see many things. This time we are on inline with the text. Okay, so this is now in line with the text. Our second option is square, and when you click on a square type of this appear here. I again open any other picture, and I explain this wrap text in detail. I click here and picture from this device. I can use again the logo, and I choose here a square, and I resize the logo in a small size. Now you can see this is our square style, and on square you can see the text is moving. But if I choose here tight, no, you can see the text is around this logo. And you also can change the edit wrap points from here, and if I add move any wrap point, like I move this here, so you can see the text is moved to the right side direction. And you can control these points also from this button, edit wrap points. So next option is through. Through and tight is almost similar, and you can see no effect on the image. But in through, the text move also if a gap between these images, text also move between the image in through option. Top and bottom, you can see when you use this button, paragraph go to top and other paragraph go to bottom side. So most of the things we use the square or tight options in our images. And in position, you can choose the vertical and horizontal position of any image of the on the page, like I in the center of the page. And if I use here in the bottom of the page, bottom middle, middle center, top left, top right, top center, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. So there are many positions on the page. One thing, for example, I want to use this logo in the background like watermark. I choose a color in a gray style like this, and I click here on wrap text, and behind the text now you can see that this our logo is behind the text, and text is typed on the front of this logo. And you also can change the colors and corrections from here and make it more lighter than because sometimes text not looks good. So you can choose the logo and artistic effects from here when you are using in the background, and very light color you use, okay, like this. So this is how you can use the image in the behind of your text. And again, if you want to in front of text, you click here. So these are some layouts that I'll discuss in today's lesson. Working with images, so you can change and you can reflect these on any other image also. Like I again enter any image of a person, okay. Then if you want to flip this image, you click on this button. This is a rotate 90, this rotate left side, this is rotate vertically, and this is rotate horizontal. Sometimes we also need to rotate these images in different directions. I again choose any other image, okay. So I select my picture, like you want to use it on my CV or any other place. So I choose a word wrap through. You can use for this picture is also a square image or vertical type. So I choose square option here, and from this you can flip vertically or horizontal like this. So we can use, if we are using from this side, we use this type flip, and if I am going to use in this side, I use again from this side. So you also can crop any image according to that you want to use we click on a crop, and this handles appear. We crop the image according to our need, and then again click on the crop, so other portion of the image cropped. And here you also can increase the size and decrease the size according to the inches. So in this lesson I'll discuss many things about the pictures. I hope you practice it and work on this lesson. If any question, you can contact me on, you can call me on WhatsApp, you can discuss in comments on Google Classroom, and you also can comment in YouTube channel. Thank you very much.